White heavy check mark section A, repeated short questions. Define glomerular filtration rate, GFR. Define action potential with suitable example. Enlist the functions of hormones. What do you mean by gametogenesis? What is the role of hydrochloric acid in the digestive system? Write functions of cerebellum. Define tidal volume. Draw a well-labeled diagram of neuron. Draw a well-labeled diagram of kidney. Enlist the functions of saliva. What is BMR? Justify its significance. Differentiate between vital capacity and total lung capacity. Which hormone takes part in ovulation process? What is a synapse? What is the function of pituitary gland? White heavy check mark section B, repeated long questions 10 marks. Explain in detail about autonomic nervous system. Write various parts of digestive system and discuss the physiology of digestion in detail. Discuss in detail about endocrine system. Classify hormones and explain the mechanism of action of hormones. Explain anatomy of spinal cord with the help of a diagram. Outline the physical characteristics and composition of normal urine. Discuss the physiology of urine formation. Explain anatomy and physiology of female reproductive system. Explain various resuscitation methods. Describe the process of acid formation and regulation in stomach. Elaborate the mechanism of action of hormones. White heavy check mark section C, repeated long questions 5/7 marks. Describe the mechanism of ATP formation. Discuss in detail structure of liver and role of bile juice in digestion. Describe different parts and types of nephron. Discuss the mechanism of neurohumoral transmission in CNS. Explain the physiology of menstrual cycle. Define BMR and how it is determined. Describe various factors affecting BMR. Explain the anatomy of respiration and discuss its mechanism in detail. Explain the events of signal transmission at a chemical synapse. Describe the hormones of pancreas and their physiological role. Write a short note on renin-angiotensin-aldosterone system, RAS. Discuss the process of spermatogenesis. Enumerate the hormones secreted by pituitary gland with functions. Explain the structure of cerebrum and its functional organization. Summarize various parts of digestive system and discuss anatomy and physiology of small intestine with structure of microvilli. Outline the various phases of pregnancy with detailed explanation on fertilization. Medium white star most important repeated questions, high probability. Autonomic nervous system. Neurohumoral transmission. Pituitary gland hormones. Nephron structure and urine formation. Respiration mechanism. Menstrual cycle. ATP formation. Digestive system physiology. BMR and factors affecting. Hormone mechanism of action. Action.